This video provides a summary of the Waterloo Region housing market stats for the month of March 2021. As we head into the spring and work our way through it, the market continues to be hot, but there's a little glimpse of hope for buyers as things seem to be settling down just a little bit. Let's talk about some of the stats. Median sales price was $718,000, which is up by 32.7%. Median days on market was 6 days, which is down by 2 days. The total number of sales was 1,407, which is up by 79%. And the total number of listings was 1,884, which is up by 60.5%. With the number of sales being up by almost 80%, clearly we're still in a very hot seller's market. However, for the first time since the pandemic began, the number of new listings is actually outpacing the number of new sales. This is an important metric that may help the real estate market balance out over the next month or two. In fact, over the past few weeks, we've started to see some of the homes that are holding offers either just get one offer or no offers at all. It's coming as a shock to these sellers who thought they were pricing low to drum up competition and get a multiple offer situation. With this said, sellers are still achieving record highs from a price perspective, and many are capitalizing on this hot market. My message to buyers right now is to continue to be patient and persistent. If you see a home that you like, don't be deterred from trying an offer, because we're starting to see some of these houses not getting too many offers. You might just get lucky. If you have any questions at all about the real estate market or are thinking about buying or selling, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you out.